Hello and welcome to this week's episode. Right, I am in Kia today for the unveiling of the EV4 and EV5 in Kia Peterborough. So I will be going inside just to have a look at these two cars and how they are. Let's go in and have a look.
Kia, movement that inspires.
But not, you can't see them at the back, can you?
No. Huge!
Oh, that's good. I thought it was only a little. I was going for that little thing at the bottom.
You won't miss that. Yeah, there's no frunk. Yeah, there's space there.
So there's no gas struts to hold it up.
Oh.
You've got the old.
Yeah.
That's really old.
You want, yeah.
True.
True.
They can do the.
This one has a sort
That's all right.
Are these the seats you like, not the fresh But then with the seat shape is They're less comfy.